Oh man, this jackhammer, I swear, is deadly. So amazing, man. Compared to even better than Hilti, man. So much power in this. And this little guy, Baba man. Okay, so now we got our vent there. We're gonna connect the energy, connect back the venting there, and then this guy will continue from here. We're gonna go up. Yeah, badabadoo. Alright, and then that guy has been done. Let's brought down 3 inches. We did all those holes. We're rectifying other people's failed inspections. And then this guy is gonna come down 3 inches.